Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XTZ coin. As in my previous video, we have seen that the XTZ is moving in this wedge pattern and it was also moving above this 100 simple moving average, and we were expecting the death cross between the 50 and the 100 simple moving averages as well, and we were also expecting this completion of this final leg of this bullish bad pattern. So in today's video, we will discuss about this. And first of all, if we watch this wedge pattern, then the price action, the movement of the price action up to this up to this support of this wedge pattern is still due, since after it is bounced back or reversed back from this resistance of wedge. We can see that the price action after being rejected from this rejection or resistance line moved down and moved a little bit more up, and now it is moving down again towards this support level. But today we are having this bullish green spiky candlestick on this daily chart. So in my point of view, it can be a bull trap, because this leg up to this, the movement of the price action up to this support is still due. So for example, if it will be moved a little bit more up, so it can move more down to complete this move up to this support of the wedge pattern. And if we place the volume profile indicator on the complete price action moving within this wedge from this candlestick up to this current candlestick, then we can see that we have the trader's interest even beyond or below the support of this wedge pattern, and we have from the upside the trader's interest even below the resistance of this wedge pattern. That is bearish signal, and we can expect that the price action can move even below this support of wedge pattern. But we have the point of control of this wedge, this volume profile at this level. That always works as a center of gravity. You can see that whenever the price action moves down or moves up, it always pulled back to this point of control or POC level of this volume profile. And if we place this moon phases indicator, that is a really very good indicator to determine whether the price action will break out the resistance or break down the support of any pattern. Then we can see that if we have the new full moon above this resistance of the wedge pattern, and we have the new dark moon below this pattern, this support of the pattern, here we have the bearish signal, but here we have the bullish signal, and this new full moon is newer than this previous dark moon. Therefore, we can expect that the new dark moon will be appeared at the higher level. But there are two more reasons I am saying that the price action can move more down up to this support of the wedge pattern. These are the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 100, 50, and 200. And the price action has already broken down this 25 simple moving average and having a good support at this 100 simple moving average. But here you can observe that this 50 simple moving average has crossed down this 100 simple moving average. That is the bearish signal. Whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses down the bigger time period moving average, that is a bearish or sell signal. And whenever this smaller time or any smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is a buying or bullish signal. And here we have this sell signal or bearish signal, because this 50 simple moving average has crossed down this 100 simple moving average, and now if it will cross down this 200 simple moving average, then that will be called a death cross. That will be a very strong sell or bearish signal. And you can see that this 200 simple moving average is moving upwards, and this 50 simple moving average is also moving a little bit more down. And soon, if there will be a death cross, then we can expect some more powerful rally to the downside. However, if we watch this harmonic move, then as in my previous video, I've already told you that the price action is forming this bullish bad pattern. This is the initial leg, and after that it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And now, as per bullish bat pattern, it should be retraced at this level that starts from 0.786 and ends up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. And after that, a bullish bat pattern, the final leg of the bullish bat pattern, will be completed, and that starts from 2.45 and ends up to $2.34. And as if you want to take it as a single trade, then you can buy it here or sell it here. Then you can sell between $2.72 to $3.12, and this is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and that starts from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection level. Realistically, the price action can move into this area. However, if the price action will break out this resistance of the wedge pattern, then it can turn even more bullish. But in my point of view, it can be a bull trap for many traders. Therefore, we can expect that this leg will be completed. We also have received this bear cross or sell signal by the 50 and the 100 simple moving averages, and if it will be moved more down, the price action will be moved more down. And we also have this move of the price action due up to this support of wedge pattern to have another bounce from this support. Therefore, we should be careful. It can be a bull trap, and if you follow this pattern, the bullish bat pattern, then you should make this level as your stop loss, because if this potential reversals on will be broken down, then the price action can move more down to complete the final leg of the bullish crab pattern. That will be a crab pattern if this PRZ level will be broken down. So this was the update on XTZ coin. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.